Unicorn Girls! And today we're going to be showing you guys how to make
metallic glitter slime.
Before we get on to the video, remember to please hit the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, turn on notifications to become part of our Unicorn Squad. Now let's get started. The ingredients that you will be needing are
White glue,
a mixing bowl to do to mix with,
your activator, which we're going to use borax and some water,
a container so your slime won't get dry, and last but not least, you're going to be needing some
glitter, which we're going to use champagne gold,
and metallic paint, which we're gonna use some rose gold and some scent.
Let's get mixing.
Time to make our activator.
We're only going to use 2 pinches of borax.
Then we're gonna mix until it's all dissolved. It's time to make our slime. So first you're gonna put the glue. You're gonna put how much as you want. A little bit more. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay. And then you're gonna put your metallic paint. Oh my gosh. That scared me.
And then we're going to mix it.
The scent, so we're gonna add all of this so it smells good. We're gonna add all. I know it's gonna be a lot. It's like oily. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's good. Then we're gonna.
And we got this, it comes with glam glue.
That it's a slime kit.
And it comes like with purse, and then it already comes with slime already made, and then you just put the pigments, the glitter, and all that stuff. And we can make another video so we could show you guys.
Now we're gonna add our glitter.
Alright, champagne gold. You can see. I think we're gonna need more, but okay.
Just add a little by little.
Yeah.
But not too much at a time.
Oh, look at this.
It looks so pretty.
The glitter
And
and
the
the
metallic.
Yeah.
And the sun.
I think we're gonna need a lot of glitter.
Yeah.
Since I'm a glitter fan, I think I'm gonna put a lot. Now we're gonna add some activators to start making the slime. And we're gonna add this little by little.
Okay, that's good. You kind of put a little bit too much, but just remember to put a little. Yep, that's now it's turning. Okay, you're just gonna keep on mixing it slowly, not too fast, because then it's just gonna turn funny. And we don't want that. We want it to be a little bit stretchy. Not that stretchy, but maybe a little bit stretchy. So it kind of looks like the real disgusting slime. But it's not disgusting, okay, guys? Oh my gosh. As you can
Look
see,
at
it's
that,
already...
all that glitter.
It has so much glitter. As you can see now, it's turning into slime right away. And it's still sticky. Yeah, so... Should we knead it?
Yeah,
I think it's
starting.
already turned to knead it. So you're gonna get everything out of the spoon. And time to knead it. It feels really good. Now that's stretchy, but it's still stretchy. And I love the texture. And I really like.
That's more stretchier.
I feel like knead it more is more stretchier, you know? So now we're going to put it in the container and compare if it actually fits. It doesn't fit again. But we will give some to our brother. So yeah.
Or we will put some slime in, or in our leftover slime. It's like, it's for like leftovers.
And it's really, and now it's more stretchier.
Yeah, definitely.
So this is our slime.
Look at that color.
And it turned out perfectly. This is our slime. Thanks for watching. Remember to please subscribe and click the thumbs up and turn notifications to come part of our Unicorn Squad. Thanks for watching and stay slimy. Bye.
Way cool.
I think we did that wrong because I said so the cousin. No, I guess we did that wrong. Wait. Yaritza.
Yo te estaba esperando.
Pues no me dijiste.
¿Cómo quieres?
Yaritza.
William, no estés hablando.
Güey, él no habló.
Sí estaba hablando. Thanks for watching. Comment down below if you love
Yeah,
this slime.
yeah, whatever. And as you could see, unicorn!
¿Qué te pasa, Madeline? Lo vamos a tener que hacer otra vez, Madeline.